come and see. You feel come and see. Cryptocurrency, come and see. Defi bully, Nasa Binkabi. Subscribe to me, me just bingo. In a crypto, brand new money as I wake up. Hit the bell, get alerted with the info. Like, comment, subscribe.
What's up, people? It's your boy Nasa Binkabi. This is DeFi Bully. All right. Today I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys about Avarice. A quick update on Avarice. As you can see, a lot of my stakings are are close to completing. One of them actually completed, so I want to do this one live for you guys. Now, before we go deep into that, remember, hit that subscribe button. It's DeFi Bully. We try to get monetized. Support the channel. Hit that like button because I'm bringing that content, and then marry the video. You feel me? Because if you like it enough, that's what's next, right? Marriage. Now, so since this one is completed, to be honest, I had a really good strategy plan for this Avarice platform, but since they removed the lending feature, it kind of threw me off a little bit, because the strategy that we had, shout out Mr. Aloha for coming up with a strategy in our Bullpen Millionaires group, link down below, was halfway through your stake, we're lending out, and the BNB that we get from lending out the stake halfway through, we go ahead and start another stake and then try to do it around the same amount of time, so they finish around the same amount of time, if that makes sense. Okay, so I was waiting until these about went 50%, then lend it out, use the BNB to open another stake, but they removed the lending platform of this, the lending part of the protocol. Now, I did hear some talks that they're coming out with a new one with utilizes BUSD, and it's gonna have the lending and all that. I personally think that it's better when it's backed on something like BNB, because we all know the price of BNB is gonna go back up. Right now, as of the time of this video, BNB is about 224, and we've seen it go as low today as 205. And it's normally around 400. So the reason why I was saying I think it's better with BNB is because if you have your token staked, by the time the staking period is done, I have a lot of these down for 30 days, 40 days, 60 days. By the time a lot of these come back, you know, it's going to be hefty, if that makes sense. So as the price goes back to an uptrend. Now, let me go ahead and collect this. I haven't done this yet. Let me do this one live for you guys. Can you see this? I'm probably in the way a little bit. Confirm. What did it say? 0.0972 BNB. Okay. 0.097 BNB. Oh, my face is in the way. Okay. Now I have 0.26. So that did they did give that to me. Now, the cool thing about collecting on this platform is that once you collect the BNB dividends, you still actually have the tokens. So what I'm gonna do is I'm probably gonna wait for another one to complete, or I just stake back this one for another 2 weeks and then continue like that, so I could just continuously get this check coming in. And right now, is since if you guys been looking at the lobby, the days have been passing shorter. I haven't gone in a while, to be honest. I did buy a few stakes and going directly like that, but yeah, if you guys looking, it's a good entry points, 300, 200. It has been having a slight more uptick in the amount of BNB in the lobby in these days, but we'll see what's going on. A lot of people finishing their initial stakes if they did the 30-day ones. So I'm still hopeful for this project. It's mad innovative. I wish they kept the lending, but we'll see what happens with the new one. And the link will be down below if you guys want to enter the lobby under me. Remember, if you use someone's referral link, you actually get a 1% bonus. So it pays you to use someone link. So go ahead, use mine. I'm not monetized. Let's get it. We could talk strategies in my group down below if you guys want to hit me up. Still very bullish on this. It's nice, it's new still, and it's shiny. You know what I mean? It's DeFi. You know we like the shiny things. Day 28 ends in 15 hours from the time of this video. I don't sleep, and I'm not a financial advisor. All right? Remember, people, do your own research. This shit is making money, and I'm still getting paid. If you look right here, if we go into staking and see how much it says 2.786 dividends to be paid out to me. Okay, that's obviously when all of these are completed, but I'll still have the tokens to restake it again. Know what I mean? It's almost a no-brainer. At first, it was a little confusing, this whole platform, but you could simplify it by just understanding that you stake tokens. The longer you stake it, the more tokens they give you at the end of your stake, the more BNB you're hopefully making in dividends. All right, people. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. Do your own research. I'm about to stake these. I just wanted to show you guys my first completed one and claim. All right, and it worked successfully. So stay blessed, stay safe. I'm out, and I'm not a financial advisor.
I get paid to entertain. And all of this is entertainment.